Hello everyone, today I would like to share for you all about the uses of rounds. So, there are four kinds of rounds. Firstly is the designated word phrase, second designated number rounds, third word or phrase round, fourth comment rounds. Now, I want to explain for you about the designated word or phrase round. These rounds can be completed quickly because the members respond with either a designated word or phrase. By designated word or phrase, we mean that the leader asks the members to use one, two, or three possible choices when responding to a question or issue, such as yes or no, or very helpful, helpful, or not helpful. Okay, for example, a leader said, I want you to think about the film you just saw and give your reaction using one or three descriptions. Very valuable, valuable, or not valuable. So, in this kind of rounds, the leader gives members a moment to decide and then goes around the group, hearing from everyone. For the second round is designated number round. The 1 to 10 round can serve many purposes. For example, it can encourage members to think more specifically about the topic. A 1 to 10 round usually generates interest because members are curious about how their rating compares to that of other members. Here are some examples. For first example is, on a 1 to 10 scale, with 10 being very comfortable, how comfortable are you being in the group? Second, on a 1 to 10 scale, with 10 being very much, how much did you like the article you read for this week? Third, on a 1 to 10 scale, with 10 being very valuable, how would you rate tonight's group? Now, I want to explain about the word or phrase round. For this round, the members are asked to respond with only a word or a short phrase, because the leader wants members to keep their comments brief. Here are some examples of word or phrase rounds. First, in a word or phrase, how are you feeling about being in this group? Second, in a word or phrase, how would you describe your feelings about school? Third, in a word or phrase, how you describe our task as you see it. Fourth, how would you describe your feeling about exercising in just a word or phrase? Hearing comments, or because the question does not lend itself to a word or phrase answer. So, from this round, members will get a chance to speak or share something to other members. Actually, there are many purpose or benefit use of round. So, today I would like to share some purpose or benefit by using the round. Firstly is to shift the focus to involve all members. Second, draw out quiet members. Third, to deepen the intensity. Fourth, the process exercise. And last is summarize. First thing is use of rounds to shift the focus to involve all members. These rounds can be used to shift the focus from a person to a topic. If one person has been talking for a while, the leader may use a round to get other members involved. Members who have been drifting away during the session often get re-involved when asked to participate in a round. For example, it is the second meeting of a support and therapy group for teenage boys. Andre has been talking for a couple of minutes about how bad his home life is. Second purpose use of rounds is to draw out quiet members. Definition is this round is a round gets everyone to respond, thus giving the leader greater opportunity to encourage members to share or draw out any member who has remained silent for a long time. If a leader wishes to encourage a certain member to share more, she can end the round with that member. When the round ends, the leader can naturally focus on the last person who talked, the one the leader wants to draw out. For the next purpose is use of rounds to deepen the focus. For example, in support, growth, counseling, and therapy groups, rounds can be used to get members to dive deeper into their thoughts and feelings. For example, leader said, I want each of you to think for a minute. What do you believe affects your feelings or personal worth the most? Now really think about this. Think of person or situation in your daily life that would describe this. It may be mom, work, my weight, or something else. What would it be? We will go around and get each of you to comment. Besides, the purpose use of rounds is to process exercise. After a group exercise, the leader may want to get a sense of what all the members are feeling and thinking. A good way to do this is by using a round. Sometimes, a quick word or phrase round will provide a lot of information. The last purpose is to summarize. At times, the leader may want to use some kind of round as a way to summarize reactions to the session. A round gives the leader a chance to hear the important things that members experienced. The leader can then close the group, addressing the important comments heard during the round. This is our group member, Nur Zakira binti Anwar, Nur Shakira binti Bokhri, and Nur Hafizan binti Bakri from third year students of counseling USIM. Thank you for your listening.